Yesterday I went out and bought the Ozito sliding compound mitre saw, and it was okay, but it was a little inaccurate, so I took it back and lashed out, spent a bit extra and got the Makita. So let's open her up and see what's inside. I'm tipping this is going to be a lot better. Side rails, another clamp, looks like a squaring device, check for square, manual, batteries and dust bag. Batteries are for the laser. I don't know whether that's going to be accurate or not, so here we go. Alrighty. I'll set her up on the bench and we'll have a squiz. Alright, here we go. Wow, look at that. Chuck that over there. I must say this is a little bit exciting. Oh yes. That's better. That feels better already. Okay. Alright. Straight out. Let's go. Slide a bit there. Cord. Pull that out. Get in there. Geez, she slides a fair way too. I'm going to have to do something with this bench. Right, so it's she'll go down like that. I'll set her all up and then we'll come back and run it through its paces. Good saw, but for me to be able to use it, nothing to do with the saw at all. I need to be able to push this all the way back so it goes down to the back fence here. But that noggin is right in the way, and so is that one over there. I'm going to move that noggin up a bit, just up 100 mil or something, and then we'll come back and we'll try her out. I'm stoked so far. Now I've just put the dust bag on and the side rails. I'm going to use this cut for the noggin at the back, so we'll do that. Wow, that's smooth as. You can see I've moved it, the noggin out the way, so you can get to, well, that's at, where are we? Full back there. I had to move the bench out a bit too. But that's not bad. I'll set the rest up, we'll get that noggin back in, and yeah, we'll go through the rest of the saw. From the top. That 540 down. Take that off, everything's in the way. I was all set up here, see? Change it. 40 down. Is that right? 140? Rough enough. Just go and grab my nail gun. Might be a second. It's a bit cramped here. What I need to do, put that in here. All good in the hood. Alright, now we'll just tidy up. Stop the water getting in. Right, so getting back to this. This is what I was trying to make yesterday, and it just turned out crap because you can see it's just shit. And that was from the saw. So I need straight cuts, they need to be accurate. The miters need to be accurate, so that I'm going to bin. I'll do a couple of cuts now and see how they turn out. I'm assuming they're going to be sensational, but let's see. That is flat as a tack, so anything from there on this saw should be accurate. Let's just do a 45 on the side. Excuse my back. I'll put you on the other side, hang on. So even bringing that down a second time, it didn't move. That's gorgeous. I don't think. I'll do another one of them. That side's flat too. This is the wrong side, so we'll just do this for example. Delightful. That is delightful. Look at that. That's not bad at all. It's actually sitting up on that one. That's quite nice though. That is a lot better than yesterday's efforts. No way. Let's do 4 of them, see what happens. I'll have to get them sewn though. What's that? That is 83.5. 83.5 point. 83.5. I mean, if this, let's see, 83.5. That there is pretty damn sensational. Look at that, 83.5. I don't know whether you can see it. It's pretty good. Oops. Gorgeous. It's yummy. Look at that. Where are we? See up there. Obviously, be able to put the other behind. There you go. That is what we're after. I like it. Alright, the dust bag obviously catches a lot more than the other saw, the Ozito saw. I haven't tried the laser on this yet. Try that later. I've got to put batteries in there. Okay, separate. The mitre is fantastic on a 45. This one only 45 is a one way, which is normally what they do. Less movement, I suppose. It does do 5 degrees the other way for some reason. Not sure why that is. That's a lot stronger adjustment at the back. The slide's beautiful. Except for that, what's going on there? Okay. Well, that's hitting that. Oh, move that out the way. There you go. Bring that in as close as possible and lock that down. What else? Locking it down. What else? Oh, there we go. These are a lot better. The outriggers. They actually flush. This bit here is flush to the table on both sides, which is fantastic. Just all round better in general. I don't know. It's a bit hard to. What else can I say about it? We'll do a straight cut. Just so smooth. Where's my square? Smooth as poo. So that's bang on. A bit hard to see, right? But that's bang on skis. Look at that. It's gold. I love it. It's got a higher back guide. It's adjustable. That must be adjustable for your 45 cut. Fantastic. It's got little rubber feet under here. These stops. I haven't tried these yet. What have we got there? I'm hitting that one. Stops seem to lock in a lot better. Your positive stops. And then if you want to lock it into in between, I'm tipping, just tighten the handle. Yep. Take that off. It's gorgeous. 0, 15, 22 and a half, 31 to 6, 45 that way, and we'll go all the way to 60 the other way. It's the other saw was, well, nothing compared to this, but this is heaps better. I'm stoked. So if you want a good saw, get one like this. Spend the extra dollars, well worth it. Alright, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Please subscribe.